The race has got a long tradition going back 25 years. Started out with a couple of chaps deciding to have a run down the river with their Seagull, so they took a number of days, and then it gradually developed into a 2-day race and rally with a number of prizes and a number of categories, and it's been keenly competed for many years.
Yeah. You reckon it's going to handle tomorrow?
I hope so. Yeah, it should do. Yeah. Oh, well, the boat's going, that's the main thing, and so we should be sweet. I think we're going to win tomorrow.
Great day on the Waikato.
We're just part of the zany navy.
Oh, it's been playing up right from the start. When we started the dam, it was a little bit of a grinding noise going on.
And of course, we're now at Rangariri. It's been a long day, a lot of tired people, a lot of stories to tell.